Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. There are 6 screws securing the housing. Remove the fastener in the corner of the air filter housing. Remove the screws using a T25 Torx driver. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF3128 filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing cover. Slide the tabs of the filter cover back into place and make sure that it is secure. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the fastener. Retighten the hose clamp. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.